Do you live in Kirkwood, Missouri, and you're shopping for a diamond ring? So you're thinking about a proposal. What if we told you we'd like to pay for your honeymoon? Watch this video to learn how you can go to the Caribbean in luxury. Maverick Jewelers, located at 200 South Kirkwood Road, is ready to help you create the ultimate marriage proposal with a custom-designed engagement ring. Our designs are able to fit into any budget, even as low as $500. Listen to some of our customers.
Came to Gall, he actually went and found a diamond for me and ended up putting it in the setting and everything.
We are also offering the opportunity to win the ultimate honeymoon. Enter our contest to win a 6 to 7 night Caribbean cruise. It's easy. Just visit our website listed here on the screen, www.jewelerstlouis.com, and tell us about your proposal. You could soon be sailing in the aquamarine waters off the Virgin Islands in the near future. And congratulations on your upcoming wedding. We'd love to be part of your once-in-a-lifetime experience. Again, visit our website listed on the screen below. We look forward to hearing from you soon.